I received this pan from Vinchef in exchange for my honest review. Hi there, this is Merlstrom. This is a Vinchef 2 liters double spouted 3-ply 1810 stainless steel saucepan with ceramic nonstick coating and glass lid. I've had Teflon, hard anodized, stainless steel, and cast iron cookware, but I never had a pan with Grevlon coating or ceramic coating till now. Thanks to Vinchef for introducing me to this type of non-stick cookware. Here it is. Nice packaging presentation. Let's see what's inside. Looking at how small the product box is, I suppose this requires a minor assembly. Let me open the product plastic seal to show you what else comes with this. The glass lid has a garterized black material to protect it during shipping. This lid has a steam vent hole to prevent the glass lid from fogging up, making it easy to see the cooking progress without removing it. This comes with 2 product data sheets that give you the summary of the product features as well as how to care for your pan the first time you use it and after each use to keep it on tip-top shape. The next information sheet is a care instruction so your pan can last longer. Depending on the lighting, sometimes it is hard to capture a clear picture of this during the recording, so I scanned and added the sheet information in this video. By the way, keep this product care instruction sheets as a reference so you know what your pan can and cannot handle. The flat non-stick interior surface has a neat laser-engraved dotted honeycomb design combined with the modern-style vertical patterns on the side of the pan to complete the Art Deco. The exterior bottom part of the pan has some sort of an Aztec art patterns. This is just my personal observation to describe this art as I see it and not a part of the manufacturer's product descriptions. The exterior side of the pan has 2 screws covered with caps where the Cool Touch handle needs to be connected. This handle is packed separately in a smaller box with 2 spare screw caps and a black wrench tool. To assemble the Cool Touch handle, loosen the 2 screw caps. Align and connect the handle holes to the 2 screws on the exterior side of the pan. Attach each of the screw caps. Make sure to tighten this with the black wrench provided. Then you're all set. The next step is to wash the pan with soapy, warm water. Use a paper towel to dry the pan completely. I use a teaspoon of vegetable oil in this video, which I believe was too much. Drizzling about half a teaspoon is sufficient enough to spread around in the pan with a paper towel. Heat it up for 3 minutes on the stove on low heat just to absorb the oil. Wipe off the excess oil with a paper towel. This is ready for use at this point. By the way, this is an induction milk pan according to the product page description. An induction milk pan is a small pot with a long handle and a pouring spout that is used for tasks that require precise, controlled heat. This is normally used for heating milk, making custards, melting butter, for cooking scrambled eggs, soups, baked beans, and of course making sauces. Although milk pans are specifically designed for heating milk, they can also be used for other tasks in the kitchen. To demonstrate a simple dish that can be made in this, I cooked mac and cheese so I can show you how convenient these features can be. Two handy spouts are incorporated into the two side edges of this pan, making pouring hot liquid easier to handle. Nothing got stuck in the pan. The cheese came off easily. Although the wet towel removed everything in the pan, it is best to wash it with soapy warm water and wipe dry with a paper towel. You can also saute and make sauce for shrimp scampi for 2 people in this milk pan. If you notice, I'm using a metal utensil as I saute. This pan is metal utensil safe as one of its features. Since this is just a demonstration of what can be cooked in this pan, this part of the video is sped up to 4 times the normal speed so you can see most of the process that was done. This pan is designed to work on all heat sources including induction, gas, electric, and halogen. Because of its size, milk pans are perfect for heating and reheating leftover portions or sauces. Hope you enjoyed this video review presentation. Thanks for watching.